Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. Got yourself the brand new iPhone 17, but now it's locked because you forgot the passcode? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users end up in this exact situation, especially after software updates or Face ID setup changes. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 proven ways to reset your iPhone 17 without a passcode, so you can regain full access in just a few minutes. Before we start, a quick reminder. All reset methods will erase your iPhone's data, including photos, messages, and apps. If you've backed up your data to iCloud or iTunes, you'll be able to restore it later, so no worries there. Method 1. Use Forgot Passcode option on iPhone. This is the simplest fix when it's available. After enough failed attempts, your lock screen may display iPhone unavailable with a Forgot Passcode option in the bottom right. Tap it, then sign in with the Apple ID associated with the device. Follow the on-screen steps to erase and reset the iPhone. When it restarts, you can set it up as new or restore from backup. If you don't see the Forgot Passcode option, move to Method 2. Method 2, Reset with PassFab iPhone Unlock. If you don't see the Forgot Passcode option, or if you just want a simpler and more stable solution, you can use PassFab iPhone Unlock. It's one of the easiest tools for unlocking an iPhone, even if you don't remember the passcode. Just download and launch PassFab iPhone Unlock on your computer. Connect your locked iPhone with a USB cable and select Unlock EOS screen. Click Start. Follow the on-screen steps to put your device into recovery mode. And PassFab iPhone Unlock will automatically download the latest iOS firmware for you. Once the firmware is ready, click Start to remove, and the software will begin wiping the lock screen password. PassFab will wipe your lock screen password and reset your iPhone in just a few minutes. In just a few minutes, your iPhone 17 will be completely unlocked, ready for setup or restoration from backup. Method 3. Erase iPhone 17 remotely via iCloud. Another effective way to unlock your iPhone is through iCloud, as long as Find My iPhone is enabled and your device is connected to the internet. All you need to do is visit iCloud.com/find in a browser and sign in with your Apple ID. On the list of devices, select the iPhone you're locked out of, then choose Erase this device. This will remotely wipe all the data on your iPhone, including the lock screen passcode, so once the process is complete, you can set it up again from scratch or restore everything from an iCloud backup. And that's it, the 3 easiest ways to reset your iPhone 17 without a passcode. Whether you go with iTunes, iCloud, or PassFab iPhone Unlock, you'll be able to get your iPhone back up and running in no time. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below to share which method worked for you. Your experience might help someone else unlock their phone too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on the PassFab channel.